Question 3. John and Dan had some savings each. If John gave Dan $100, both would have an equal amount of saving. If Dan gave John $100 instead, John would have 5 times as much saving as Dan. How much savings did Dan have? So let's spend some time to analyze, one information at a time. Starting from the first one, John and Dan had some savings each. So what we can draw with the first sentence is just the two characters, John and Dan. Moving on, second sentence, or second information. If John gave Dan $100, both would have an equal amount of saving. Now, after John had given Dan some $100, they both would have the same amount of savings. So this is what you should get after giving the $100, which is here. This $100 was given by John to Dan. So right now, let's give it back. Okay, let's cut this away and give it back. And then we can remove this. So this is the model at first. And this missing $100 here, it would mean that this must also be the $100, isn't it? Okay, makes sense, right? I'm going to shift this here, back. Alright, so if John were to give $100 to Dan, they will both have equal amount of money. So let's give it back. Alright, so second scenario. Remember, this is the model at first. Alright, John had $200 more than Dan. That is a fact at first. In another scenario, if Dan gave John, now Dan is going to give John $100 instead. John would have 5 times as much money saving as Dan. Right now, Dan is going to, okay, let me do this. $100 somewhere here. Okay, so somewhere here, $100. Dan is going to give this $100 right now to John. Okay, before I shift, this portion here, equal portion here must also be 100. So right now, Dan is going to give this 100 to John. Here. And then we have the missing value here. Gone. And what happens when Dan gave the $100 to, when Dan gave $100 to John? Alright, again, let me show the shifting from here. Dan is going to give the 100 to John. John will have 5 times as much, 5 times. Which means this must be 4 units, isn't it? Now the numbers are very nice. If this makes up the 4 units, what can we say about 1 unit? Well, it must be $100. So this is 100. This is also 100. Not to forget, we need to return back the $100 that Dan gave to John. So we're going to return this $100 back, and we remove this. Here. Okay, so the answer, amount of savings Dan had is just $100 times 2 to give us $200.